I was in there from 10 to 8, 3,400 grafts, from beginning to end, pure first class treatment. And this is really for the people from the States. Look, man, don't worry about it. This is where you want to come, man. America, nah, for real. This right here, this is the real deal. You know, all my black Afro-American partners and sisters, I recommend you to come here. Matter of fact, the day I came, literally, that's all I seen. I seen two beautiful black women here. They were getting their transplant done. When I checked out the clinic, there was another black gentleman there getting his hair transplant done. So you already know. You know, we like to go where there's love. So you don't feel lonely when you come here. And they have an assistant named Mary who's actually holding the camera. And no, I'm not saying this because she's in front of me, but she's been with me since day one. They had her ride to the clinic with me in a cab. The cab actually picked her up from her house because I couldn't make the pre-op consultation. But anyway, she got in the cab, we drove back, she briefed me on some things that was gonna happen. And that service is non-existent in America. I mean, the hospitality and service here, like I keep saying, was bar none. And that's real deal, and the professionalism and everything. Matter of fact, when I get my braces taken out of my mouth, I'm coming back to get some more touch-ups. So you may not even recognize me. I might be in Hollywood or something doing some action movies. You know, life is good right now at the Heva Clinic though. Thank you. God bless everybody. You helped me. Sadet, she helped me out. I forget her name, and I think another assistant was named Anna. I'm not sure, but I apologize for not remembering everybody's name, but I remember your face. It's been a beautiful moment in my life, and you ladies and gentlemen will not be forgotten. And remember, for those who don't know, I started this mission from Seattle. I was just on the internet. I looked at the Heva Clinic. Me and Dr. Arthur, we went back and forth for maybe a month straight. Then I started looking at Turkey, and I just realized that I just did a whole vacation. So the hair op was like a bonus, and everything just gelled in, man. And you know, unfortunately, I got to get back to the house, but in 4 months, I'll get back with you guys for real. Thank you very much. God bless.